Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. The angle between the minute and the hour hands of the clock is what when the clock shows 4 o'clock? So first of all, let us draw a rough figure of a clock. Let's say this is our clock. Let's represent the hours. So it is 12 o'clock, 3, 6 and 9. Similarly, this is 1 o'clock, 2. This will represent 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 11. So this is our clock and we have to show 4 o'clock. So while 4 o'clock, the small hand will be at 4 and the bigger hand means the minute hand will be at 12 and the hour hand will be at 4. So this angle theta we have to find out. So this smaller hand is representing the hour hand and the larger hand is representing the minute hand. Now we have to find this angle theta. We know that angle in each hour will be equal to, so total angle is 360 degree and we have 12 hour in a clock, so 360 divided by 12 will give 30 degree. So each hour represent 30 degree. Here we have to make 4 o'clock. So while 4 o'clock we are covering 1, 2, 3 and 4 hours. Therefore total hours is 4 hours. So we have to find the angle between minute and hour hands. So that angle will be 4 times of this 30 degree angle by unitary method, because we know that in each hour it is covering 30 degree. So we have to find the angle when it is covering 4 hours. So by unitary method we can say that this is 4 multiplied by 30 degree, which is equal to 120 degree. So our angle theta is 120 degree. This angle is 120 degree and this is our answer.